ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Our sixth game for today. Baba tayo ulit sa under 14 division as we are now having a look at the San Pedro Spartans taking on this Bataan JNY Sportswear. Kanina wasn't able to beat yung kanilang first assignment that was against TYBC. Yun yung mga players from Pampanga. And one thing na meron in common itong magkaparehas na teams na to, they both lost to TYBC Pampanga. So one of them will have and secure their first win today. One bump fading away, kisses it off the glass. Rain Malubag getting that basket to go. 6-2 is our tally for today. Wearing red ay itong Bataan, San Pedro wearing white. Again, most of their players coming from that San Beda program, and they are -1 for today without James Enriquez, who hurt his ankle yesterday. Again, would like to wish James Enriquez a speedy recovery. And I'm sure that Enriquez will bounce back harder and better after ng kanyang injury. Meanwhile, yung kanyang mga teammates dito, sila Ken Molina, will do the job here, will try their best para makakuha ng panalo. Malubag, their primary ball handler, Chino Tan for 3. As a miss there by Chino. Wide open he was. And on that drive, tatawagan ng foul si Rain on that layup attempt by Adrias. Speaking of which, James Enriquez in the house. Now he's at the bench supporting yung kanyang mga kakampi dito. As he will look on and support yung kanyang mga teammates as Ken Molina hindi tatawagan ng foul. 6-4 is the score. San Pedro will have possession. Rain couldn't score and put back. Di pa rin mahuhulog para dito kay Noah Concepcion. 6-4 is our score still. A 2-point lead para dito sa San Pedro Spartans. Looking for this corner shot. Had that look. Decided not to use it. Adrias, jumper. Too short. Leak out pass to Molina. Nakaabang ang depensa ng Bataan. Went for that 1-2 step. It is on the run. Ken Molina on the chase. Ken all the way. Eight to 4. After that Ken Molina basket. Looking to make a space, make room. Didiskarte ulit itong si Adrias. Open 3. Locks and loads. Uses the glass for safety. Eight to 7 is the score with 5:25 remaining. Eman Lenciongco passes it to Molina. Always moving without the basketball. Itong si Ken Molina. And without James Enriquez, as you see on your farther left, there he is wearing civilian clothes and his jersey there, supporting his good buddy, si Ken Molina. Knocks down the first one. Ten to 7 is our score after that Ken Molina free throws. Looking to recover once again itong kampo ng Bataan, and they drill the 3. James Mendoza. Could have been a good matchup against James Enriquez. One is just left-handed, and that is James Enriquez. Juan Cruz. They swing it to Molina and napunta sa area natin dito. 4 minutes 29 remaining. So they are called for a delay in a game violation. Molina to Eman Lenciongco. Balik kay Ken. Realizing he has space, the advantage, Ken Molina. Gotta give credit to Concepcion for making that screen, that spin. Basket is good for Ken. This is his show to take over. Talking about Ken Molina. Without Enriquez, he will carry majority of the load. 14 to 10 after forcing a couple of turnovers. Coach Chico Tan watching closely here as the champs of the main junior MPBL, giving the champions of Bataan something to work for. At para dito sa mga players ng Bataan, of course, gusto naman nilang manalo in this contest para pag-uwi nila sa kanilang home state, sa kanilang home province, makakuha sila. Meron sila magandang experience na maibabaon, pero si Ken Molina just pouring on the points. (10-6) 3 minutes remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. James Mendoza, nice pass here inside. Couldn't get that one. Itong si Sevilla, I believe. Yeah, that's Ram Sevilla. Bonko spins, floater, in and out. Rebound by Sevilla, turns. Di makakuha, Concepcion will give it to Lenciongco. Here's Eman on the drive, making to a drop pass to Yuan. Babawi on this attack, 1-on-5. Will be fouled. Itong si Herrin. Again, a special shout out sa father ni Raywin Malyari, Sir John Ray Malyari. Nakita ko kanina dito sa ating venue. Nag-share din ang laro nila sa Junior MPBL page. At syempre, nabanggit na lang natin ang ating page. Salamat pa rin sa pagsuporta and shout out sa lahat ng nanunood sa ating live stream for today. 6-10 is the score. Bonko, one-hander this time, it's good. 16-12. Di diskarte once again. San Pedro Spartans looking better than their game against TYBC. As I say that, they almost turned the ball over. 16-12. A minute 30 remaining. San Pedro with a 4-point lead. Nice Visaya enters the game. Yuan Cruz can't hit that floater. Again, without Ken Molina in this lineup, who will be the one to step up in the offensive end para sa San Pedro? Again, usually when Molina is out, andyan si Enriquez to carry the load. Knocks down the first one. Herrin gets that first to go. Second is in for Herrin. (16-14) is our total. Nice Visaya sends it on the right side. Yuan Cruz fakes, waits, and scores. Nice response. That's Raywin Malyari scoring his first 2 points, I believe, of the day. A very talented big for this Bataan JNY Sportswear. Let's see if they can find Malyari once again. James Mendoza also in this contest has scored a 2 I should say. That 3 didn't go in. Rebound secured. They're now going for the push. Counter steal. Herrin will be fouled by Nice Visaya. Missing on the second is Herin. And that's only, I believe, the first free throw. .3 seconds to go. 1 point lead para sa San Pedro Spartans. Gonna make a quick push. Turns it over as Malyari run out of time. Pero a better end of the quarter. Both teams looking for their first win. Pero lamang pa rin ang San Pedro Spartans, 18-17. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan.
Second quarter action. San Pedro versus Bataan. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. A close first quarter between these two squads, and now on the run. Not a move. Just couldn't handle the dribble right there. Sayang yun. Para kay Rain Malubag. Almost a highlight to start of the second. That is Axel Teodoro. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang pasa. Wanting to protect that possession is a JNY Sportswear Bataan. (18-17). 1 point lead, Eman Lencioco. That is a three. First of possibly many for Chino Tan, the youngest player in this San Pedro lineup, as that layup was not good, but there's a foul call on the other side. Offensive foul. Thought that was a shooting foul, kaya medyo nag-antay ako doon. Ken Molina, Lencioco, Malubag jumper. That is off the mark. Getting that rebound is a Bataan JNI Sportswear. Corner 3. Masyadong malakas. A chance to run. Rain lost the possession. What a move on that Pinoy step. Hamindang makes that highlight of his own. Eman Lencioco all day. Couldn't complete that three-pointer. Isa pa para kay Nelson Hamindang. Back-to-back hits. Just like that, we are tied at 21.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Lenciocco went up, nawala sa kanya ang bola. Eman Lenciocco once again, this time susubok na at the free throw area. Eman couldn't hit the first one. (22-21). Looking to break free ay itong Bataan. Hasn't taken the lead yet in this game. Let's see what will they do for them to have that lead. And that is one way to do it. Pulling out the bag for that shot. Raro will lose the touch. (23-22). 6 minutes 20 remaining. As they go here, Bataan susubukang iangat ang kalamangan as a foul is called on that play. (23-22). Ball will be on the side once again as a foul will be called on Noah Concepcion. (23-22). 3 by Axel Teodoro. Can hit that shot, and now this is the largest lead of the game. Need to watch out for Chino Tan, always waiting on the corner. He has that touch. And that time, tatawagan ng foul while Ken Molina receives that pass. (26-22). 5 minutes remaining. Ken Molina missing on that opportunity. Sapa, Noah Concepcion, no good. Third serving. That will fall for Noah Concepcion. Better defense by James Martinez. Nice tap. All space. Bonko ask for a better space. Almost a miscommunication. James Mendoza using his power. Ken Molina this time. 28-26. Gonna move. Nice defense by Concepcion. Almost a runaway. Raro was ready to run free. As you see, that's James Enriquez holding for that ball, and Jacob Tan, yung kapatid ni Chino, watching his brother here. Concepcion once again. Better defense by Maliari. Looking out. Bonko all the way. Oh! Slipping on that attempt. Rain Malubag challenging James Mendoza. That was a wild sequence with 3:27 remaining. Makes the first one is Malubag. Again, he has been the help here for Ken Molina. Knocks down the second. 3:27 remaining in our contest in the second quarter. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahala.
.28 all with 3 minutes 15 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Tan, tatawagan ng traveling, medyo nagmadali doon si Chino. .255 remaining here as a steal here is made by Molina. Dropping off is Rain Malubag. Ken and Rain making damage here for San Pedro, and a steal by Crane. Malubag again. That's a 4-point turnaround. Another steal. Couldn't make it 6 in a row para dito kay Rain Malubag. Two minutes 10 remaining. 32-28. Looking to make a stop. Ken Molina had the hand on it. Thought it was a good steal. Lucky for James Mendoza. Kanila pa rin ang possession dito. A minute 52 remaining in this game for today. Wild three-pointer goes in. Knocking it down all the way from Bataan as they get that steal once again on the run using that stutter step. Maliari and one. 4 points for Raywin Maliari. Now he's able to be more involved here. Talking about Raywin Maliari. Knocks down the bonus. 5 points para dito kay Raywin Maliari. Cuts the lead here to 2 points. I should say they got the lead now because of that one. 34-32. Another three of the mark, Maliari. Here we go, banging bodies. Nice block by Molina. 10 seconds to work with. Looking to make a push. 4. Slipping down as they will be called for a traveling violation. (34-32). Maliari, 7 points. Turnaround jumper is good. Now he's starting to feel it. He always have that touch Talking about Maliari, and he steals the ball. Committing a turnover on the other side though. Ken Molina will be challenged, no problem. James Mendoza was a second too late on that block. Making that cross once again. Jumper is in. James Mendoza pushes them to a 4-point advantage. 38-34. What a run by Bataan. Maliari has 5 points in the second quarter. Let's see what will happen in the next 2 quarters.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior,
Start of the third quarter. Scoring the first 2 points ay itong Bataan. Herim gets that first 2 points. 40-34. What a second quarter. Raywin Maliari. That's his first miss of today. Eman Lencioko now grabs that rebound. Looks for a friend. Chino for 3. That is too strong. Forward pass. James Mendoza, I should say, gets that basket to go. Full court pressure being played here by Bataan. Nice pass. Noah Concepcion just couldn't find the angle. San Pedro is facing another challenge once again. Another 3 by Herim. Nice tap by Lencioko. Here's Molina. (34-42). Second half of action. Again, San Pedro started off hot. Sila pa ang nakakuha ng kalamangan nung nagsisimula tayo dito. But when that second quarter came, nakakuha kumpiyansa, nakakuha ng momentum itong depensa at opensa ng Bataan. They just turned it different route. (42-34). Yuan Cruz, only a long two. Stepping on the line was Yuan, pero yun pa rin ang kanilang unang two-pointer. Here you go, Raywin Maliari. Big man extending the defense. 9 points for Raywin. Molina escapes. (44-38). A lot of pushing happening here as you see both coaches just giving reminders on their squad on what to do. One on offense, one on defense. 6-point lead. Herim couldn't beat that defense ni Tan. .6:45 remaining dito sa atin third quarter action. So last touch mapupunta sa San Pedro. Okay. San Pedro pa rin ang bola, I should say. 38-40. Yuan Cruz hit one jumper earlier. Molina, nice pass. Noah Concepcion. Ken Molina, sayang yung activity ni Ken. Again, he is carrying a lot of offensive load. Missing on that free throw. Misses on the second. Last touch, balik pa rin sa San Pedro. 6 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Nice defense on that baseline. Merong tulak, merong tawag na itatawag doon. Chino Tan will be called for a foul. (44-38). Stop and pop to start things off. Adrias scores another basket on their name. (46-38). Pass is too strong. Nice defense. Follow-up won't stick. Eman Lenciongco secures that rebound. Ken Molina looks for a teammate, turns, at merong foul na or I should say traveling call on Terdy Tapanco. 38-46, I should say. A steal once again. Molina is in a journey through that bump. Sevilla caught on that bump, got that tap, pero balik pa rin ang bola dito sa San Pedro Spartans. 46-38. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't
46-38 is the score. Open 3, Molina. Corner is good. Not only on the inside, now has scored his first triple. So si Ken Molina cuts the lead to 5. Was pushed sideline. Pick ang bola sa San Pedro. 5 points pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol. Molina now has attracted a lot of defense. Nice pass, Lencionco. Too strong. On the run. Looking to finish. Tough angle. Concepcion grabs it. Malubag. Pushing the pace. Rain. Won't fall. Molina. Malubag again. (46-43). San Pedro storming back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah.
Let's see if that timeout results to a positive for Bataan. Only down by 3 itong San Pedro. Starting to storm. Adrias, 3 is in. A much needed 3-pointer para dito kay Adrias. 49-43. Again, who will respond to the call? Lencionco. Here's Rain Malubag. Going on that reverse strip. Merong foul, 2 free throws on Rain. Swishes the first. Si Eman Lencionco saying something here to Rain Malubag. Perhaps the next instruction if he does make his free throws. Now it's a man-to-man defense being implemented here by San Pedro. Down by 4. Nice steal. Concepcion. Runaway. Too strong. Noah. Taps it outside. Adrias has hit 1, 3 steps closer. 5 points for Adrias. 51-45. Malubag will lose the ball. Balik ang bola dito sa San Pedro. (51-45) as a foul will be called. Still a 6-point lead with a minute 47 remaining. A minute 40 remaining as Ken Molina stops that offensive para sa Bataan. Malubag once again. Looking to operate on their offense. Stepping on the line though. Oh, they will replay on that one. Guys in red looking to stop a comeback here by San Pedro. Last minute. Couldn't find the angle. Sevilla. There's a jump call. Balik ang bola dito sa San Pedro. Approaching the final moments of our third quarter. Molina bumps as the ball is loose. Natapik ni Sevilla ang bola. Molina again inside. Just unstoppable when he establishes his position. 51-47. Si Coach Chicotan looking on here as they look to cut this one within the final 35 seconds. Nice move. Went behind his back. Got that basket to go. A sneaky move. All air on that one. Can they make back-to-back baskets? James Mendoza. Di makakahanap ng butas doon. Jumper by Maliari. No good. Mendoza cleans it up. Cleaning up the mess. Itong si Mendoza as we enter the fourth quarter. 55-47. Bataan up by 8 at the end of the third.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Start of the fourth quarter. Bataan, San Pedro in a good game. Juan Cruz, Noah Concepcion fumbled that fast break opportunity. Pero ang bola mananatili pa rin sa kampo ng San Pedro Spartans. Juan Cruz knocks it down to start our fourth quarter. Kanina stepping on the line itong si Juan, now making sure his foot is behind that line. Defense being played here by San Pedro. Concepcion sends it to Molina. Here's Ken with a cross. Juan misses on that basket. A foul is called on Lencioco. James Mendoza will now be at the line. 7-point lead. 57-50. Defense by Bataan. Tightening up here. Yuan Cruz has hit that 3. Here's Chico Tan. Couldn't make that drive was Chino. 57-50. James couldn't get that basket. Another running start. Molina again. Always loves to attack. Wala lang chance on that last time si Adrias. But to give up a foul. 7:57 remaining. 57-50 lamang ang Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa
7:57 remaining. Chino Tan will trigger the inbound once again. Noah, balik kay Chino for 3. Oh, it's good! As a technical foul is called. Referees signaling a tech after that Chino Tan 3. Again, if you are Bataan, don't need to give the San Pedro Spartans an opportunity to make a run. As you can see here, so that was a tech off the bench. Chino will look to make it 4 points in a row. Knocks down the bonus. And just like that, tatlo na lang. Let's see if that technical foul will be a factor in the remaining 7 minutes 40 to go. Teodoro passes it inside. Maliari with a conversion. 11 points for Goma Goma Maliari. Lencioco looking for some space. Tan with a fake. Here is Chino. This time he decides to drive. Has scored the last 4 points para dito sa San Pedro Spartans. Of course, Chino Tan, the son of Coach Chico Tan, and he's showing us, of course, he has skills. One of the more talented players na na-cover ko sa Pocket League. His brother Jacob is the MVP of the Under-10 division. So it really runs in the blood. As Chino Tan securing free throws here, he has 6 points. A steal by Molina. Ken Rain Malubag will draw a foul. So that will be team foul number 3 on Bataan. Bataan JNY Sportswear. Yung susunod natin, Bataan naman, na ALT ang maglalaro. Makes it both for Malubag. Cuts the lead to 1. 6 minutes 40 remaining. needing to hurry. Ay itong Bataan needing to at least make a basket. Steps in for a three. That is off to the left. And again, that technical foul earlier now becoming a factor. That has gave San Pedro some boost here. Yuan, balik kay Noah. Cruz will call a play. Tan, too short. Concepcion, balik kay Chino. Gives it to Ken Molina. Traveling. Coach Chico Tan reminding Chino to take that shot. He has that. Decides to give it to Ken instead. Kaya natawagan ng traveling. Looking to break the defense. Molina with a steal. On the run. Chino Tan. Back to Molina. Ken for two. 60 to 48. San Pedro takes the lead here. Nice rejection. Good block by Rain. Cruz on the runway. Up by 7 earlier. Now down by 3. San Pedro Spartans has kept things rolling. Four minutes, 50 remaining. Ken Molina has the ball here. Goes for that bump. That shot won't fall. Coach Chico Tan calls for wants a foul there. Didn't materialize. Ball will go back dito sa kampo ng San Pedro. Molina and company just looking to control here. Bataan has lost their edge. Rain Malubag drops it off. Nice pass. Eman Lesioco with that finish. 64 to 59. 5-point lead. What will Bataan do? Adrias, they decide to give it to Maliari. Balik kay Adrias. Fakes a shot, inches closer. And that is a foul on Chino Tan. Missing on the first. Again, Bataan, I believe, only scored 2 points, 4 points in this quarter. Misses both. Lesioco will be called for a foul. Three minutes 25 remaining. 5-point lead for San Pedro. This squad from Bataan, Adrias and company, looking to make one more run. James Mendoza, 2 seconds. Shot clock violation. Malubag and company looking to protect this one. Enriquez, even him, calls for it. Chino Tan! That is just guts by young Chino Tan. 9 points in the quarter. Malubag finishes it off. Chino Tan, 9 points. Basket is in for 3. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Two minutes, 25 remaining. 10-point lead by San Pedro. Again, Bataan has gone cold in this fourth. Adrias and company needing a spark. Bonko finally ends the bleeding. They force a turnover as we are in the last 2 minutes. Adrias wouldn't take that shot, inches closer and draws the foul on that attempt. James Mendoza will be tested at the line. Has missed their last 3 free throws. Six nine, 6'2", 1 out of 2. Ken Molina looking for some recipients. Nakawala si Rain. Malubag flying high, scoring for that layup. Coast to coast he went. Rain Malubag visually upset on that last play, escaping that trap. One out of 5, I should say, on their last trips. Two out of 6. Molina looking to break away. Dribbles it off his foot. Eman Lencioko. Di mahuhulog ang bola. Noah Concepcion went nowhere on that one. 71-63. A minute 15. James Mendoza with a putback. 71-65. Two possession ball game. A minute 11 remaining. Timeout is called.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Traveling call with a minute 7 remaining. 6-point lead. Bataan, one last push. Traveling din sila. (71-65). Offensive foul on Chino Tan. Lucky break for Bataan. Final minute remaining. Looking for a big basket. Bonko couldn't hit it. Makukuha ni Molina. Taken away. Skying high. Missing. Rejected that time. Bonko for two. Lead is down to 4. Almost a steal. It is a steal. As a foul was called on that play. We are in for a wild finish. 71-67, down by 4. Molina has the ball. Final 40 to go. Ken on the drive, shoots, too strong. Adrias on the base, shoots from the elbow, got it! Down by 1, down by 2 I should say. Concepcion lays it up for 2. A much needed one. 69-43, 23 seconds remaining. Referees blew their whistle. They will talk things through as we are into the final race of this game. Back and forth, San Pedro, tsaka Bataan. Penalty situation. Herem for this free throw. Everyone, eyes is on the court. Makes both si Herem. 73-71. Foul from behind. That is the final team foul for Bataan. If they commit a foul, it is already penalty situation. Herin makes both free throws earlier. Against San Pedro, they need to take care of the ball this time. Molina waits on a pass. Lencioco holds on it. Waits on a friend and a steal. Here we go on the run, looking for the tie. Eman Lencioco was able to tap it in. Ten seconds exacto. Bataan looking for a run. A three by Axel. No good. No one's fouling. No one's fouling on the side of Bataan. Took too much time. The man of the moment, Chino Tan, 9 points in the fourth. Missing on free throw number 1. Chino, if he hits this, at least may safety net. Missing on both. Rebound secured by Rain. And another chance for San Pedro to close the deal. Rain Malubag. Securing free throw number 1. Second free throw is in. That is the game. What a classic between San Pedro and Bataan JNY. It was back and forth. San Pedro holds on. 75-71. Last 2 games dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan at